So in your experience, Doris, when the institutions receive this data, what do they tend to do with that?
That's also a really good question. It depends on what they're trying to answer, the research question that they
Yeah.
want to answer. So some institutions that participate with us are only interested in value added or student learning gains. And in that case, they take a sample of students that are entering and they compare it to the students who are exiting, and they look at the difference in the performance between these two groups. And, and that's sort of at the institutional level, and they oftentimes use it for different purposes, such as credentialing for them, for the institution themselves. So for example, middle states, they want to go and get their credentials for their institution. Other institutions want to actually use it in a more formative setting. And so they want to know how their individual students are doing, and then to actually have faculty members or a writing center or another office within the institution help students improve their skills. And so it's flexible. The instrument is flexible in that respect. And then a third use, which is not as often used, but it's a way in which university program want to measure the efficacy of their programs. So let's say they implemented a new curriculum, and they want to know how effective that curriculum is. So we have a group that decided they were going to change their freshman year seminar format and use performance-based performance tasks in that seminar to help students improve their critical thinking skills. And so the assessment was then used to measure whether there was improvement for comparing those students who were part of the old curriculum versus part of the new curriculum.